In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently transfer your financial data from Self-Employed to QuickBooks Online. This process is incredibly useful for managing your business finances in a more robust accounting environment, and I'll guide you through each step to make it as smooth as possible. First, let's focus on exporting your data from Self-Employed. When working with data, it's crucial to ensure you have everything you need before beginning the transfer process. Start by logging into your Self-Employed account. Once you're logged in, head over to the Transactions section, as this is where all your financial data is stored. From there, you want to look for an option, typically labeled Export or Download. This is your gateway to getting all the crucial numbers and transactions out of Self-Employed and ready to move. Make sure to choose the correct file format. Commonly, this would be a CSV file because it's universally usable and easy to import into other software. Now that you have your file exported, it's time to import this data into QuickBooks Online. Log into your QuickBooks Online account. Once you're in, navigate to the Banking or Transactions area where you'll find the option to upload files. Select your exported CSV file from your computer. It's important to note that QuickBooks Online will prompt you to map your data. This mapping process essentially aligns your imported data fields with those in QuickBooks. At this stage, take a moment to review everything. QuickBooks Online might suggest some automatic matching. Ensure it correctly aligns with previously recorded transactions. Confirm that your income, expenses, and any other categories have been properly imported and categorized. This is key because accuracy here ensures all further accounting and reporting will reflect your business's true financial status. For those looking for a more automated approach, Intuit provides a migration tool designed for this process. This tool, when available, can simplify the transition by handling much of the heavy lifting. If you find the migration tool in your QuickBooks settings, follow the on-screen instructions to connect it to your Self-Employed account. This may require some authorizations as the tool needs to access your data for the seamless transfer. Before wrapping up, double-check all your data. Effective financial management relies on accuracy, so take the time to ensure every detail aligns. Also, keep your exported files and logs of the transition as a backup, just in case you need to reference them later or if discrepancies arise. In summary, transitioning from Self-Employed to QuickBooks Online can greatly enhance your financial management capabilities. Whether you manually import your data or use Intuit's migration tools, follow these steps carefully to ensure a smooth transition. Thank you for watching, and I hope this helps you keep your business finances in tip-top shape.